This is Brian with Trollwerks, providing a glimpse into one of our current projects. Something we're gonna probably planning on making some kits for. This is a very very crude version and nowhere near complete, just to be clear. But I'm taking this particular printed frame. Which, yeah, I messed up one right there. Had it too low in the print bed. Haven't got around to bring another one yet. But for my purposes, testing the fit, some of the things I'm doing, this works just fine until I get around to printing the better print on it. But this is printed at 90%, and we've got this piece of square tubing. Got the notch cut right there, and some markings here. I'm going to get ready. I'm gonna have to fix these markings, but spot for the ejection port, and then on the side here, we're gonna cut something out for our charging handle, which is a 3D printed bolt. So it's gonna have a metal breech face when I'm done. Yeah, nowhere near complete. Two holes in the back here for the guide rods, springs, hole for the firing pin. Here we got the notch for the ejector with the hole in there for a pin, or the extractor rather, and a hole there for the pin to keep it in place. That will be made out of sheet metal, which likely will have processed somewhere else later on. Now I'm going to do some more work on this, but we got the notch lined up there. Get the rounds out. I'm gonna bevel that edge a little bit so to act as a feed ramp. Haven't done that yet. This piece go right there. It's got the hole where it lines up with that hole. So everything is in place. You have to cut that down a little bit. It's quite fit. And then we'll have our bolt. Side charging. There. There'll be a couple of guide rods. It's most likely going to be something like 3mm rods. And then have another piece that goes in the back here with some additional holes in it to keep the guide rods in place. And of course, that'll pull back, go forward, and we'll have a 3D printed trigger in this. We've got a sprue reinforcing it, with just using somebody's design and printing that 90%, and then making springs, lock spring jig 90%, mag 90%. We're using the Menendez mags, and then I'm going to alter the feed lips a little bit, make sure everything feeds the way it needs to, and then we'll get it all together, test fire it, and hopefully it cycles and does everything it's supposed to do. If not, I'll keep trying until it does. But that's just our quick update. I'm not exactly a YouTuber, not doing a lot of videos here. If I get enough attention, maybe I'll start. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But in the meantime, if you have anything in particular you need help with, especially pertaining to Trollwerks builds, really 80 builds, give me an excuse to make it. I'll probably make it, as long as it's not too expensive, I'm not going to afford it. I'll do the build, do a video, show you how to troubleshoot it, put it together, whatever the case may be. But I'm just in the shop today. Getting started, not quite done. This Jericho holster, but and this little 22 Derringer holster. This weird little Derringer that I just bought. This thing has this weird flip barrel. It's kind of cool. It shoots pretty well. I don't know. I just like every gun I can get a hold of, so it was cheap. Fits in there, and then I just flip it in my pocket. Good to go. But thanks for watching. and see you next time.